Today we're visiting a German city called Dortmund. Located on the west side of Germany, it is well known for their football team, the giant letter U, and flying rhinos that you can easily find throughout the city. First things first, we went to the shopping mall, mainly because I needed to pee. Then, after making a couple circles around the mall, ooh, is that a pudding pretzel? I was hungry and we got some currywurst and pommes. The wurst was very curry and the pommes were pretty good. Plus, we had some unexpected company that was also interested in our food. Then we walked through the shopping street that was full of people, rhinos, and this interesting looking interactive fountain. We stumbled into a board game store and looked through some interesting looking games. And didn't buy any since I don't really have that many friends to play with. Passing by this beautiful mural, we ended up at the football museum. I'm not really interested in football, so we didn't pay for the ticket, but we did go inside and looked at the assortment of merch. After that, we found a church and a pigeon that was dedicated to make a nest. Then we proceeded to see a lot more rhinos and this a bit more disturbing one.
Oh my god!
Plus, we saw a lot of beautiful architecture that was shining through since the sun came out. Some more old looking and some more modern looking. And some just looking. After all this walking, we needed a break, so we got ourselves a hot chocolate and a refreshing cup of lemonade. And to finish the day off, we went to the cinema to watch a movie.